So over here, you can see that I have this audio right here. And if I were to preview this out, this is what you hear.
Eat healthy and eat well.
So that is what you have. So now what I can actually do is I can add in a background music to this. So for that, I'm going to go to stock and let me just bring in this particular music right here, just like this. And if I were to go ahead and press the play button,
eat healthy and eat well.
There is the background music right there, but it's actually covering up my voiceover right here. So let's say what I want to do is I want to duck this audio as the voiceover is there. So in that case, what you can simply do is click on this particular layer and click on the sound button right here. So you can see that over here, automatic ducking is an option. So what you can do is you can go ahead and let's say, for example, choose this. So it says lower the volume of other clips while this clip plays. Or you have other option, background, lower the volume of this clip while narrative clip plays. So this is the background music. So I'm just going to choose background right here. And now once that's done, let's see how this actually sounds.
Eat healthy and eat well.
So now I'm going to go ahead over here. And right now this is turned to off. Let me just change this into narrative right here, just like this. And now let's see how that sounds.
Eat healthy and eat well.
And that is what you have. Let's hear that out again.
Eat healthy and eat well.
And the volume goes up. If I were to go ahead and bring this narrative anywhere right here, the same thing happens out. So if I were to press the play button right here.
Eat healthy and eat well.
And that is what you have. And that is how you can work around with sound automatic ducking settings inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.